欢迎收看，
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 欢迎收看
宁话区块链，
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 宁话区块链，宁话区块链，
宁话区块链，
宁话区块链。
The program exclusively titled by EOSLAOMAO. EOSLAOMAO focus on EOS ecology. Hello， 大家好，我是伟宁，欢迎收看宁话区块链第3季。上一季我们采访了以中国为主的 EOS 超级节点竞选团队，他们为我们精心地描绘出 EOS 在主网上线前的样子。这一季，我为大家邀请到了来自全球不同国家的 EOS 超级节点竞选团队，一同勾勒出主网上线后的 EOS， 并在每周解答大家一个最关心的问题。今天是本季的最后一集，我们要讨论的话题是 EOS 的生态建设以及 DAPP 的发展状况。那么很多人都相信，区块链之所以得以发展，一定是会有重量级、杀手级的应用出现。那么现在在 EOS 生态当中，有哪些 DAPP 已经出现了？有哪些发展方向是已经明确了的？我们来听一听 EOS 超级节点团队们怎么说。
EOS DApp 生态呢，目前还处在起步阶段。目前的 DApp 呢，主要集中在下面2个类目。第一类 DEX， 也就是去中心化交易所。EOS 主网上线以来，系统内置的 RAM 买卖和用户名拍卖机制呢，给了很多开发者启发。再加上原来从 BitShares 过来的很多团队，本身就有相关的技术和经验的积累，大家都不约而同地开始开发基于 EOS 的去中心化交易所。第二类呢是游戏类 DApp， 比如类似 CryptoKitty 的宝贝收集类的 DApp， 还有基于 EOS 的像1元夺宝这类的 App。以及前段时间惹来了很多讨论和争议的狼人游戏，这些呢都属于游戏类的 App。目前呢 EOS DApp 生态呢还非常早期，作为 BP 节点呢，我们打算从下面3个方面呢做出自己的一些贡献。第一点，我们自己会做一些智能合约的开发和测试，积累并输出经验到开发者社区。在这方面呢，我们已经开源了2个合约，一个是很简单的demo 内存该怎么使用和释放的合约，另一个呢是稍微复杂一些的，方便 BP 节点校验和存储黑名单配置的合约。这2个合约呢，我们都放在我们官网的那个 GitHub EOSLAOMAO 账户下面，大家有兴趣可以看一下。我们近期也打算做一些开发者培训活动，把自己在开发这个过程中遇到的坑呢，给大家分享一下。第二点呢，我们会持续的参与维护麒麟测试网络，并且参与制定一些标准，比如麒麟测试网络的几次合约升级呢，我们都深度的参与，也和其他的 BP 节点呢一起讨论并制定了 token 合约的标准规范。关于合约代码校验工具，我们也有参与讨论。第3点呢是开发者工具的完善。成熟的开发者工具可以降低入门的门槛，在这方面呢，我们也有一些想法。比如像以太坊上的Remix 这样的开发工具呢，我们打算也做一个类似的，可以方便开发人员在浏览器里面做开发。那么关于 DApp 的生态呢，暂时讲到这里，谢谢大家。
Hey everybody, this is Kevin Rose, co-founder and head of community of EOS New York. And today I want to talk to you about DApp development and the ecological development of EOS, and where I personally think mass adoption will occur on blockchain dApps and EOS in particular. Now, as in my capacity as a top 21 block producer, I've spoken with a great number of dApps who are both starting out and also porting from places like Ethereum over to EOS. And the number one reason of why they're choosing EOS over the competitors is that there are no transaction fees. If you are playing a trading card game, you are not going to want to pay every time you trade a card. But the cool thing is that unlike League of Legends, where you would have skins that you buy but you don't own, On the blockchain, you have a non-fungible token that is the actual skin that you own. So you own that in real life. It is not something that you are borrowing from the game developer. And now imagine a trading card game where you owned all of the cards and you didn't have to pay every time you traded a card with a friend. This is a very simple approach as to why games will be big on blockchain, especially non-fungible tokens, on EOS. Talk to y'all later.
Hi, I'm Joe from EOS Asia. Today the topic is the ecological development of EOS, DApp development. The ecosystem of EOS is truly something to admire. We from EOS Asia have been present in the EOS ecosystem since the very first day, and we had the chance to see EOS grow from a concept to the blockchain we use today. In the last 2 months, there has been an incredible growth in the DApp ecosystem. While before launch, we could count dApps available just in one hand, ideas since then have started flowing and growing in potential. Now, EOS dApps and projects are so many that you can't list them anymore. Every day we see new dApps and projects based on EOS join the ecosystem. In fact, I often see projects joining from Ethereum or other projects, other platforms like Neo, moving to EOS. Why are they making this choice? It's evident that people are realizing the potential that EOS has. EOS Asia is trying to help the ecology of EOS to grow not only by building tools and dApps such as EOS Gems, TXT, MyEOSKit, but also by incubating new dApps. dApps are fundamental for the growth of the ecosystem. We don't just need a system that works in a good community, but we also need a good team of developers working on the system to deliver dApps that can take EOS mainstream. And that's what EOS Asia is all about. Before we start a new project, we always ask ourselves, can this project bring EOS and blockchain mainstream?
Hi, this is Roman from Crypto Lions. Let's talk about dApps, decentralized applications. In my view, EOS is the platform for dApps because, among its many other great features like speed, reliability, decentralization, there are no fees. It is free for a user to use an EOS dApp, unlike Ethereum, where every interaction requires the user to pay a small fee. So that makes it extremely attractive. Now let's keep in mind EOS is less than 2 months old. It's August right now. It launched in June. And we need more infrastructure, and it's coming. Crypto Lions is proud to have provided the network monitor, Zeos, a place where anybody can register an EOS account using Bitcoin or Ethereum, and most importantly perhaps, the Jungle testnet. dApp developers are all invited to come to the Jungle testnet, find us on Telegram, and we will be happy to let you test your applications using Jungle EOS.
So today, we're announcing the revival of EOS BIOS. Because for development of dApps, we need good developer tools, and it starts with the good local chain. So today we released EOS BIOS 1.1.1, and it allows you to boot a local development environment fully loaded with a clone of the mainnet or the more recent contracts there. It's been totally revamped. I destroyed 95% of the code. It's very simple now. It does a one-liner boot of a chain for your local development purposes. So I think it's a great tool to allow people to develop their dApps quickly because they have a clone with no risk of interacting with mainnet, spending real money, but they can be up to speed with one command, all installation done through Docker on Windows, Mac, Linux. So I'm sure it'll remind you of great times, and we'll see you next time. Bye.
The ecological development of EOS. EOS is setting up an environment with the required conditions for that development to prosper. First of all, what any dApp developer needs to know is that if the dApp succeeds, the platform will not stop it, as the EOS software can handle thousands of transactions per second. The dApp team should be worried on how to make their dApp succeed, and not in what happens if we do succeed. Second of all, they need to know that the platform will be open to anyone. Even with little or any knowledge about cryptocurrency or blockchains, EOS needs to be a facilitator for both parties, as we can see in solutions like Steam. Lots of applications are starting to be built on EOS. Some of them are exchanges, games, or social networks. These kind of platforms had no possibilities to be built or be viable businesses in other blockchains. I hope you enjoyed the video. This is Chiti from EOS Argentina. Until next time.
好的，感谢姐点们的分享。在本季8集节目当中，姐点们为我们解答了8个至关重要的问题，向我们展示了 EOS 的发展现状以及未来可能的发展方向。我们衷心的祝愿 EOS 越来越好，更希望区块链行业能够有长足的发展。这就是本季主要的内容了，期待第4季的节目再与大家相见。祝大家一切顺利，拜拜。
Ni hao, my name is Bohdan and I am co-founder of CryptoAlliance, EOS block producer based in Ukraine.
And my name is Roman. I am also co-founder of CryptoAlliance. We are so happy to be a part of this community. We think EOS is the blockchain that everybody has been waiting for, and we want to see it reach its full potential. And we need your help. Specifically, we need help of people in the Chinese community to help combat fraud. There has been somebody using the account CryptoAlliance2 claiming to be us, even using our photographs. This is not us, and if you see somebody using the name CryptoAlliance2 and asking other users to send them money, please warn people, warn the community. Don't let them do this because they're probably cheating people. Also, we have no relationship with Super League One or with Supernode or with LT Watching Finance. They claim to have a relationship with us, but they do not. This is fraud. They are probably cheating people, and you can help make the EOS community a better place by advertising this. Share this video where the co-founders of CryptoAlliance are saying that we have no relationship with these organizations. This will help EOS reach its full potential.
CryptoAlliance is focused on building EOS projects like EOS Network Monitor, like Jungle Test Network, and we are sorry to be distracted by such fraud. So thank you for your help. Bye. Bye.
To the great support of EOSLAOMAO. EOSLAOMAO focus on EOS ecology.